Stop and listen. Your financial future depends on understanding just two words: assets and liabilities. These aren't just accounting terms, they're the foundation of wealth. If you master this, you'll have security and freedom. If you don't, you'll always wonder where your money went. Think of your finances as a balance scale. Assets add weight and stability, liabilities pull you down. Your mission? Stack up assets, shed liabilities. Most people confuse looking rich with being rich, buying things that drain their money instead of building wealth. A fancy car or big house with a huge mortgage? Not necessarily assets. Once you see the world through assets and liabilities, every money decision becomes clear. This is your superpower. The difference between building wealth and living paycheck to paycheck. Ready to take control? It all starts with understanding the first magic word: assets. Let's break down what they are and how to get them. Your new financial life starts now. So, what's an asset? Simple. Anything that puts money in your pocket. Assets are your personal money-making team working for you 24/7. Your job is to collect as many as you can. Examples: money in a high-yield savings account earns you interest. Free money. Stocks? Own a piece of a company, get dividends and growth. Rental property? Rent payments after expenses go straight to you. Side business? Profits are assets. Even a book that pays you royalties is an asset. The pattern assets pay you. Use your job income to buy assets. Turn your labor into things that work for you. This is how you build financial independence. Every asset is a brick in your financial fortress. Now let's look at liabilities, the side you want to keep light. Now the flip side, liabilities. If assets put money in your pocket, liabilities take it out. Liabilities are debts and obligations, money takers that drain your finances. Loans, credit card debt, monthly bills, these are all liabilities. Every payment is money leaving your pocket. Even your home's mortgage is a liability until you sell for a profit. It costs you every month. Many mistake liabilities for assets, like expensive cars or maxed out credit cards, subscriptions you barely use. More holes in your financial bucket. Your mission: ruthlessly identify every liability. Know where your money goes and what's draining it. Only then can you plug the leaks and redirect money to assets. Recognizing and controlling liabilities is as important as acquiring assets. Don't let liabilities pull you under. Let's see how assets and liabilities shape your financial life. Here's the golden rule. Assets feed you, liabilities eat you. Every financial choice moves you closer to being fed or being eaten. Buy an asset, like a dividend stock, and it puts money on your table. Take on a liability, like financing a new phone, and it eats away at your income. Example: Alex invests $500 in stocks. Now that money works for him. Ben buys $500 sneakers. Money gone, no return. A car? For most, it's a liability. Loses value, costs money. But if it earns you income, like driving for Uber, it can be an asset. It's not about the item, but whether it makes or costs you money. The wealthy buy assets first. The poor and middle class buy liabilities. Get a raise? Don't buy a bigger car, buy an asset. Flip the script. Let your assets pay for your luxuries. Focus every spare dollar on buying assets. Let your assets buy your liabilities. That's the path to financial freedom. Now let's put this into action. Time for action. Knowledge is useless unless you use it. First, track every penny you spend for a month. See where your money goes. This reveals your liabilities. Next, pick your first asset to build. Start small. Open a high-yield savings account. Set up automatic transfers. Even $20 a week counts. Open a brokerage account. Invest in a low-cost index fund. Start with $5 or $10. Every dollar you save from cutting liabilities is a dollar for assets. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Make coffee at home. Redirect those savings. Avoid credit card debt at all costs. If you can't pay it off monthly, don't buy it. Remember, your greatest asset is time. Let compounding work for you. Here's your challenge. Choose one asset to start building this year. Decide, write it down, and take the first step today. You're the CEO of your life. Make decisions that build your future. Now go do it.